Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom styles to your tags in Obsidian. If you want your tags to stand out visually or match the look of your vault, you can customize them using CSS snippets. This allows you to change things like colors, padding, font size, borders, and much more without affecting your actual notes. Let's get started by opening Obsidian and loading the vault you want to customize. Once you're inside the vault, look to the bottom left corner and click the gear icon to open Settings. In the Settings panel, select Appearance from the sidebar. This section contains all of Obsidian's visual customization options, including themes and CSS snippets. Scroll down until you find the CSS Snippets section. The CSS Snippets feature allows you to add custom styling rules that work alongside your current theme. Think of snippets as small customization files that can modify specific parts of the interface without replacing the entire theme. Click the folder icon in the CSS Snippets section. Obsidian will open the Snippets folder for your current vault. This is where all custom CSS files need to be stored. If the folder is empty, that's completely normal. Create a new file with a descriptive name such as tagstyles.css. Make sure the file uses the .css extension so Obsidian can recognize it properly. Open the file in your preferred text editor and begin adding your custom styling rules. You can target Obsidian's tags and adjust various visual properties. Common customizations include changing the background color, text color, padding, border radius, font size, font weight, and spacing around tags. For example, many users like to add rounded corners and extra padding to make tags look more like labels or badges. Others prefer larger text sizes to make important tags easier to spot while reviewing notes. When choosing colors, try to maintain good contrast between the text and background. This improves readability and ensures your tags remain visible in both light and dark themes. Small design choices can make a big difference in everyday usability. After making your changes, save the CSS file and return to Obsidian. Back in the CSS Snippets section, click Reload Snippets. Obsidian will scan the folder again and display any new CSS files it finds. You should now see your CSS file listed. Toggle it on to activate the customization. In most cases, the changes appear instantly throughout your vault, allowing you to immediately preview the new design. If you don't see any changes, double-check that the file was saved correctly, confirm that the extension is .css, and verify that the snippet toggle is enabled. You may also want to review your CSS selectors if the styles aren't targeting the correct elements. Another useful tip is to keep your snippets organized. Rather than putting every customization into one large file, consider creating separate snippets for tags, callouts, headings, or other interface elements. This makes future updates much easier and allows you to enable or disable individual customizations whenever needed. It's also worth remembering that themes can influence how tags appear. Some themes apply their own styling rules, so you may need to adjust your CSS slightly to achieve the exact look you're after. Experimenting with different values is often the best way to find a design that suits your workflow. That's it. You opened Obsidian, navigated to Appearance, accessed the CSS Snippets folder, created a style sheet, customized your tag styles, reloaded the snippets, and enabled your new design. With a few simple CSS adjustments, you can make your tags look exactly the way you want while keeping your vault organized and visually appealing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.